to learn how to read the time. You know how to read the time? Yes or no? If you don't know to read the time, I will teach how to read the time. Okay. So you see one clock here. This is a clock. There are three needles are there. Okay. There are three hands are there. You see, this is one hand. This is called second hand. And this is also one hand. The small one is there. And this is one big hand. So, the small hand is called hour hand. And the big hand is called minute hand. Okay. So, now the time, the minute hand is in 12. And the hour hand is where? 1. So, what is the time now? 1 o'clock. Okay. The time is 1 o'clock. Time is 1 o'clock. So, let us watch this video.
Hey, I am a clock. I am used to know the time. My flat surface is called my face. The numbers 1 to 12 appear on my face. I have two hands just like you. But my one hand is short and the other long. My short hand is also called an hour hand. It shows the hour. A day has 24 hours. So, the hour hand completes 2 rounds in 24 hours. My long hand is also called a minute hand. It shows the minutes. Come, now I will teach you how to read the time. See, my hour hand is on 5 and the minute hand is on 12. This means the time is 5 o'clock. We read it as 5 o'clock. We write it as 5, then colon, and then 0, 0. Let us see the time once again. Now, my hour hand is on 9 and the minute hand is on 12. We read it as 9 o'clock. We write it as 9, then colon, and then 0, 0. Hope you had fun reading the time with me.
Hope you understand how to read the time. So, I will explain once again. Now the hour hand, that is small hand is in 2 and the minute hand is 12. What is the time? 2 o'clock. Okay. Next one. If the hour hand is 4 and the minute hand is 12, what is time? 4 o'clock. So, if the hour hand is moving now, okay, the hour hand is in 5, what is time? 5 o'clock. If the hour hand is 9, time is 9 o'clock. Okay. Now, what is the time? Our hand is in 10 and the minute hand is in 12. So, it is 10 o'clock. So, here in this clock, there are numbers up to 1 to 12 is here. So, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So, in this class, we study only how to read the time, the 10 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 3 o'clock only. Okay. Next, look at the textbook. You see this clock. So, here the clock has two hands. One is hour hand and minute hand. So, this type of clock is called analog clock. Okay. This type of clock is called analog clock. In this analog clock, the numbers will be there 1 to 12. Okay. And the two hands will be there. So, this type of clock is called analog clock. Next, Another clock is there. You see this type of clock here in your watch. Sometimes you buy watch. So in this watch, sometimes smaller students, the parents buy this type of watch only. Numbers will see 9, 6 like that. So this type of show numbers are showing in this watch. So this type of watch is called digital clock. Okay, the number will show that one. 9 o'clock will be 900. Okay, so this type of clock is called digital clock. Next, textbook activities here. Here, this is Chara's school bus will come here when it is 8 o'clock. So you want to draw the minute hand or hour hand here. So the minute hand will be where? That 8 o'clock is the time. So where the minute hand will be in 12, and the hour hand will be in 8. Okay, so you draw the time of this clock, hands of this clock, and write the time. Okay. So remember, when you draw the hour hand and minute hand, hour hand is shorter than the minute hand. So when you're drawing minute hand and hour hand will be small and minute hand will be big. Okay. Next, one activity. All are watching TV from your house. You know your favorite show. Some are watching Kochi TV, some other channels are there. You know what is your favorite show. So you write the name of your favorite show and day, which day you're watching, and the time, which time is that. Then draw the hands of that clock. Okay. Next one, there are different types of clocks. Circle the ones you have seen. So here so many clocks are there. So this is digital clock. Okay, and this is analog clock. So which are the clocks you see? You can round that clocks. Okay, you see which are the clocks you can see. That clocks you can round. Okay. Next, write the missing numbers in the clock. Draw the hour hand and the minute hand show 4 o'clock. So when you're drawing clock here, this is 4 o'clock. So here the numbers are missing 1, 2, 3, 4. Here one number is missing. And here also one number is missing. So you write that number and draw minute hand and hour hand. Okay. Next, write the time at each clock shot. Here the 10 o'clock. So here which time? That is, sometime the number will not show. And you can imagine the number 1, 2, 12 after 1, 2, 3. Then you can write the time here. This is here after 12 which number? 1. So 1 o'clock. Here you write 1. Here what is the time? Our hand is 9 and minute hand is 12. You write the time here. Same way you can do other these all questions. Write the time. Look at the clock and write the time. Okay. Next, the hour hand is at 3 and the minute hand is 12. So, if you don't know, you draw one clock and find out the answer. The hour hand is 3 and the minute hand is 12. What is the time? The hour hand is 3, the minute hand is 12. It will be 3 o'clock. Okay, same also. The hour hand is 8 and the minute hand is 12. So, you write the time here. Okay. Next, match the times in the two types of clock. So, here this is analog clock and this is digital clock. So, here you match the time. Here what is time? Minute hand is 12 and hour hand is 7. So, it is 7 o'clock. So, here you match where is 7 o'clock. Digital clock you show 7 is here. So, you can match, draw one line like this. Okay, same way next also. Here 5 and 12. So, this is 5 o'clock. Then you search where is 5 and join the line. Other also you can do like this. Next, which of the following takes more or less time than a minute? One is done for you. So here they are walking. The father, mother and children are walking. So it is they take more time or less time. That is they take walking so many times, so you can take more. Same here, wash your face. You take more or less time. It will be little time only, less time only take. So you can take less. Okay. Same way next one. Drinking water. The boy is drinking water. So here more or less. You tick. It is more time or less time. Next sleeping. You sleep till night to morning. So it is more or less. You tick the which column. Okay. Next also same way. Tick the activities that you think take long time or to be done. So here which are the activities you take long time? This is drinking water, eating breakfast, brushing teeth, taking bath. So which are the activities you take longer times? That is bathing. So here you take the which are the activities you take for longer time. Next, Write L for the activities that takes a long time and S for the activities that takes for short time. So here, which activities? It is staircase. So here climbing the staircase, so it is long time, and it is small staircase only, so it is short time. So here washing hands, and here eating breakfast. So which take long time and which take short time. So it is washing hands only short time, so we can write here yes, and breakfast it will be long time, so it will be L. Next also here do these two activities also C and D. Which activity take short time and long time? Short time if write S and long time write L. This is also C and D. Next, Nasmeem and Sohalil want to go home. Trace the routes to help them reach their home in time. So you find out the way of to reach the home, both of you, okay? You can join using pencil, you can draw line.